Kailangan bang i-validate ka ng iba? Para sa mabuhay buhay, tayo na po at magkapet padasal. Feeling the pressure to constantly earn the approval of others is a heavy weight, isn't it? We often chase validation through good grades, social media likes, or big achievements to feel worthy of love. But the truth is, God's love is different. It's a gift, not a reward. Just like the parents who celebrated their son's small wins, seeing value in his two correct answers out of 10, God's love for us is unconditional and freely given. This unwavering love teaches us that true acceptance isn't something we have to earn by being perfect. Understanding this can change your entire perspective on your own worth, helping you find freedom in knowing you are loved simply for being who you are. This kind of love doesn't fluctuate with our performance or failure, it remains constant. Embracing this truth allows us to let go of the need for external validation and rest in the assurance of our inherent value. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo akong makahanap ng kapahingahan sa kalayaan ng iyong walang pasubaling pag-ibig at matagpuan ang aking halaga sa iyong biyaya kailanman. Amen.